Hello guys, I am Apoorv. I am a Microsoft certified professional and this is my first session on SQL, and I will try to cover all basics to advanced and frequently asked interview questions related to SQL. Okay, so let us begin with my first session. Today we are going to discuss about SQL commands and I will show you the interface of MS SQL Server. So what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a domain-specific language used in programming and designing for managing data held in a relational database management system. Types of commands. Actually, there are four types of command in MS SQL Server: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. It is used to create and modify the structure of objects in a database. The commands are alter, create, drop, and truncate. DML. DML is an abbreviation of data manipulation language. It is used to retrieve, store, modify, delete, insert, and update data in a database. The commands are select, insert, update, and delete. DCL. DCL stands for data control language. It is used to create rules, permissions, as well as it is used to control access to database by securing it. The commands are grant and revoke. Actually, DCL is mainly used by database administrators. They used to provide access to developers on a particular database. On that, they use grant and revoke commands. TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. It is used to manage different transactions occurring within a database. The commands are commit and rollback. Actually, this is one of the interview questions. They used to ask what are the different types of command. Okay, now let's move and I will show you how the interface will look like. Okay. Let me open a new session for you. Okay, this is our new session. This is my server name and this is the authentication type that I'm using. Windows authentication. Okay, it means I'm using Windows login, Windows user ID and password to log into my SQL Server account. Okay, now I have clicked on connect. Okay, so this is my window. This is my Object Explorer window. On this we are having databases, security server object, application polybase, always on, high availability, SQL Server agent. Okay, by clicking on this new query window, we will get a new query tab over here. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay, so this is our new window. Currently we are connected to master database as it is shown here. Now I am typing use test query. This is the database that I have already created. So we are connected with test query database. See, this is the test query database. Okay. To know about what version we are connected with, what we can do, we can write select at version. Okay. To execute a command, we need to click on execute button or we can press F5. So this is our SQL Server version. We are connected with Microsoft SQL Server 2017 and we are using its developer edition. Okay, that's it for now. I will discuss primary key and foreign key in my next session. Thank you so much for watching it.